Yo, what's up, guys? So, it's been an interesting few days. Did Ace Comic-Con in Chicago, and things were so crazy I didn't get the footage that I wanted to get because I was going to do a vlog based off of the Comic-Con, but didn't happen. So, what we're going to do today instead is we're going to go through my process on creating pinups for Inktober. So, this is my Inktober pinup process. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so this Inktober, I'm going with this sci-fi, pulp, sci-fi, fantasy, fiction set of pinups that I'm doing, and it basically is starring beautiful black women. My thought process is just putting these beautiful women in just the most insano situations possible. That's where I start at when I'm creating these layouts. So now that I've got my idea for my layout, what I want to do now is I just want to go ahead and just draw in the idea in pencil. First things first, I normally try to set up my plane, which is my perspective, try to see where, how I want things to look, where I want the angle to come from. And that right there is probably about 60% of the battle. And then the rest is just really just doing a dope drawing that is exciting, intriguing, and ultimately gets the people talking. Now once I've laid in my blue pencil drawing and it's pretty tight and I'm really happy with it, now it's time to go slather in some beautiful, beautiful blacks. And when I say slather in the blacks, we're slathering them in. It's black all over the place. Because that's what Inktober is all about. It's about showing the power of pen and ink drawings. And I'm all about that as a comic book artist. So once again, we just get in there, start throwing blacks all over the place, just everywhere. Black everywhere, black everywhere. Pow, black, pow, black everywhere. Black is great. guys, now that I've laid in all my blacks, bow, all over the place, it's about hitting in those fine details, pulling it together, making it tight, and what do you know? Voila, I got a dope pinup for Inktober. fam, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I gotta admit, this one came out pretty dope. I'm very happy with it. So that being said, I really do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed getting this look into my creative process, and I hope you enjoyed the making of this pretty dope pinup for Inktober. I did take pictures, and they will be on my Instagram, which is at DKG72. You can follow me there, and on my Twitter at DKG72. But more importantly, guys, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it the thumbs up. If you're new here and you like what you see, please subscribe. And everybody, please hit the bell icon. That lets you know when I post a new video, so you don't have to worry about that YouTube algorithm. Who wants to deal with the algorithm? I know I don't. That being said, guys, I'm tired. It's been a late night. I'm DKG72. I'm out. Hey.